everybody. It's What's Cooking at Raymond. We're going to be talking about grilling vegetables. We grill our meat and we do a lot of different types of meat and grilling, but I thought today we talk about grilling vegetables because all our vegetables are coming in now. You go in the farmer's market or your garden, the grocery store's got a lot of local produce. So I thought it would be really neat if we concentrate on grilling different kinds of vegetables. We can grill zucchini, peppers, and eggplant, and potatoes, and carrots, tomatoes, and even acorn squash. I found this little acorn squash and I thought, hey, let's try grilling this. So I bought a little one, and what I did first is I kind of microwaved it for about 4 minutes to soften it up, and then I marinated it with olive oil and different spices for a little bit, and then I popped it on the grill for a little bit. And you can see how you got some of the grill marks and it's ready, and all you can do with that is scoop it out and eat it afterwards, and you've got that grill taste, which is really neat. And then I thought it would be kind of neat to grill a potato. And again, what I did was I had a leftover baked potato, and I thought, I don't want another baked potato, so I just cut it up, marinated it, and then I just threw it on the grill and grilled it up a little bit. Same thing with the carrots. Some leftover carrots. I decided, hey, let's try grilling some carrots. And then tomato too, because all the tomatoes are coming in right now. And I thought it would be really neat to cut up a tomato, marinate it, and just put a little bit on the grill and just like grill it up. And it's great to put like in salads or in a sandwich or just to eat on its own. And of course, the grilled zucchini. I love zucchini and all the different kinds of squashes. And you can slice it or wedge it and grill it. Really, it doesn't take too long. You have to be careful with zucchini and eggplant because they will kind of stick and get cooked really fast. You have to be really careful. So if you don't have, like, your grills sometimes are very, wide, and you don't want to lose some of your produce through the grills, you can buy these little grill things and just spray them with grill spray or vegetable spray and then grill right on these. And this is really neat because it saves them, it grills them really nice, and they don't get stuck to the grills. Another thing too is peppers. Peppers are really good, and there's so many types of peppers. You have red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and what I do is I just cut up the peppers, marinate them, and then just put them again either on one of these grills or inside one of these. I put like a bunch of different peppers inside here with onions and seasonings and olive oil, and I put it on top of my grill and let it sit there, cover it for a couple of hours, or not even, maybe an hour to half an hour, depending on how well you like your peppers. Some people like them a little bit al dente, some like them well done. So that's another idea. Going back to the squash, there's a neat squash in here. I know you can't see it. It's like a yellow squash. It looks like a butternut squash, but it's actually a cross between a butternut and a zucchini squash, and it's a lot hardier, and it's really neat, and it's good to grill or boil, but I like it grilled and sauteed. It's really good to eat that way. And eggplant, love eggplant. Eggplant, what I do with eggplant is I cut it up and I marinate it overnight, because overnight it takes in all those flavors like a garlic and oregano and the olive oil. And then when I'm ready, I put it on one of my grill racks here and I grill it up. And the neat thing about eggplant and zucchini and some of your squashes is you can freeze them for a couple of months. And then when you get that urge, when it's a fall day that you miss your grilling, you can take them out, thaw them out, and you can put them in sandwiches, put them on rice, and eat them different ways, and it kind of brings back that summer grilling and reminds you of that. So these are just a few things that I've grilled. I like to also, what I do sometimes is I make a big tray of potatoes, squashes, peppers, carrots, any type of vegetable, marinate them all overnight, and then I put them in a bigger tray, put them on top of my grill. As my meat is grilling, I have my vegetables right there, and everything is served all together. It's great. You have grilled food. It's all good, and it's wonderful flavors all together. And sit back, enjoy yourself with your grilled meats and vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this series of What's Cooking at Raymond and what's grilling and what we can grill. Have a great day.